Ain't nothing I won't do for my brother. That's big brother. That's little brother. Ain't nothing I won't do for my big brother. Shh, that's big brother. That's little brother.
What's good, Wayans family? I am back with another video, and today we got the quarantine prank wars coming. We got the spray paint prank. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my brother, the good brother, the good brother, Putney's house. His link is gonna be in the description below. He just started a YouTube channel. Well, basically I'm gonna spray paint his car. My car was rolling back and I didn't even know. But basically I'm gonna spray paint his car, and I'm gonna tell him that the paint don't come off. But even though it comes off with a little bit of water, but he don't know that. Stay tuned, be blessed, stay quarantined up, wear your mask, wear your gloves. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because this video is gonna be crazy. So stay tuned, all right? Love y'all. I said I love y'all. All right, guys, so we just got to his crib. I need to find his car in the parking lot, but he's about to get it. He's about to get it. Y'all gonna be on this journey with me while I find his car. Shoot. He usually park over here. Let me see if he switched it up today. Oh, I found the car. So only thing I can make this man mad is his car. He don't care about nothing else. He don't care about his girlfriend. You feel me? He don't care about nothing. He don't care about nobody but his car. He's about to tear it up. You feel me? So stay tuned. He's about to be heated. Hold on, look at the purple.
Show us your best artwork. Put a smiley face or something. Your best artwork. Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. Woo, yo, I'm nervous.
Put your signature.
Yo, you want it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn, look at you.
Make it a Benz.
Where am I drawing? Hold on. I'm nervous. I can't even draw. You know when your stomach, like when your stomach.
Yeah. Nah, my heart. I'm trying to stand as far back as I can. I want you to be the closest one to him. They're gonna get.
Make sure you like and subscribe because I'm about to get killed.
It's gone.
How you paint like an artist, like Picasso.
Alright, let me see that so I can. Yo, take this out of my car right now. Find a way.
Bro, there's a deal. I talked to someone before I did it.
I'll give you. Take this out of my car.
Bro, I really don't know how to take it off.
I don't care.
I just bought the spray can. I was like,
Take
which
it to
one?
the car wash.
Which one? It doesn't come off.
Take it to the car wash.
I'm not. You like it? You want to do it?
Run.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Quarantine prank wars has just begun.
Denied.
Like, comment, subscribe. Williams Brothers, we out.